Hi, I'm Phil McKnight from Breville. Today I'd like to introduce you to our latest drip coffee maker. We call it the Grind Control. One of the secrets to making great tasting coffee, whether it's espresso, press or drip filter, is grinding right before you brew. That's because the coffee beans contain delicate flavour aromatics that dissipate once they're ground. If you grind directly before you brew, you'll capture these flavour aromatics in the cup of coffee, producing a rounder, more fuller-bodied cup. That's why the Breville designers have engineered a grinder right into the machine. So coffees of different origins, degrees of roast and age require very different grind sizes and amounts to get the best flavours from those coffees. So the Grind Control is the first household drip coffee maker that has an inbuilt adjustable grinder and calibration mode so you can adjust the grind size and the amount to get the very best flavours from the coffees you'd like to brew. So the Grind Control also has machined stainless steel burrs. Machined stainless steel burrs deliver a consistent ground particle size. This will deliver a more rounded, full-bodied flavoured coffee. The Grind Control has the flexibility to brew a 12-cup carafe or just a single cup. It has 8 individual strength settings, so you can get coffee just the way you like it. The extra height clearance gives you the flexibility to brew directly into tall cups and travel mugs. The Grind Control has a convenient auto start function. This means you'll always have fresh coffee in the morning. A top fill water tank allows easy filling, and a swing out door gives convenient access to the removable coffee basket for cleaning. The machine also comes with a gold tone filter, or you can use a standard paper filter for a cleaner tasting cup. The Grind Control, coffee just the way you like it, every time.
Brew professional coffee with ease using built-in Wi-Fi. Download the Smart HQ app and sign up for a free account. The app lets you control the brew strength, temperature, size, and the time you want your coffee to begin brewing. You can link your coffee maker to an Amazon Alexa or Google Home device with enhanced voice-to-brew controls, so your coffee is ready whenever you are.